Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I super appreciate the time that you invest in watching my videos. Now, I'm down here in Walnut Creek, California today. I've come down from Central Oregon. I've got a personal thing I have to do this afternoon, but I thought I'd give you a walking tour of the places that I checked online that says you should see when you're in Walnut Creek. So come on, let's go have a look at Walnut Creek if you happen to be in the Bay Area and you want to get away from all the tourists, okay? Come on. The first place that I'm going to take you is about 6 or 7 blocks from the place where I'm staying, the hotel where I'm staying. It's called Broadway Plaza, and especially if you like shopping, Broadway Plaza is for you. We're going to walk all over and see the shops, the art, the flowers. There's plenty of parking garages around here, so if you're not walking, you can park within like a block or less. So there is that. Macy's holds a really special place for me. When I was growing up in the 50s, yeah, I'm that old, we were really poor. My mother was a single mother, and every school year, just a few days before school started, my grandmother worked at Macy's. She was a floor manager in San Francisco's Macy's, and we would go there and she would buy with her Macy's discount our school clothes. I have really good memories of Macy's. You can see there's a parking garage right there. Plenty of places to sit and relax. You got your Haagen-Dazs store, and right next to Victoria's Secret, of course, because, you know, the two kind of go together. They're desserts. And your dinosaur slide. It's a nice artistic area as well as a shopping area. I kind of like that. As I might have said before, there's art all over the plaza, which is something I really do like. about a block away from Broadway Plaza is the other place that people say you shouldn't miss, and that's a walk up Main Street. So that's what we're going to do right now, is take a walk up Main Street and see what they've got. Main Street, as I understand, it's where all the good restaurants are. So there's a bakery over there. There's a pasta place over there. There's a vineyard club right there. So that would seem to establish this is an eatery place. And I do want to say that I'm not a fan of Ayn Rand, but I do have to show you the fountainhead here on Main Street. There's a lot of greenery here in Walnut Creek, even in the winter, so it is rather peaceful that way. Let's see what's down here. There are just all kinds of shops and eateries all over the place here in downtown Walnut Creek, whether it be Broadway Plaza or Main Street. And Main Street, to be honest, is only about a block from Broadway Plaza. In fact, I think it is contiguous with the west side of Broadway Plaza. Now that is actually Walnut Creek, which has emerged from some underground channels right here, just about where I'm standing. Probably comes out from somewhere down there. And as always, there's art. This is the place where the creek runs past a fallen grandmother bay tree, and it comes pretty much out of the ground from underground springs. This is the world famous Hot Boys, although I've never heard of it. This is Oak Lane. Very pretty. Well, I'd like to show you more of the downtown area, but I have to get to this thing that I've actually come for down here to Walnut Creek. It's very personal. I don't want to get into it. So, but I am going to come down here tonight. Maybe I can show you some night stuff. And I did come down here last night, and you can see that clip right here. So, I had to find a place to eat here, and I don't know the place at all around in this neighborhood. So I walked about 10 minutes, and I found the Cheesecake Factory. Now, I've heard of that, but I've never eaten there. So we'll see what happens when I have dinner here at the Cheesecake Factory. So as I'm sitting here waiting for my dinner, my Oregon Ducks are just getting creamed by Indiana in the Peach Bowl. I'm heartbroken. So I got 3 tacos with rice and beans. What the heck? I'm in California, right? And I'm having a Cadillac margarita with it. All right, so let's see how they taste. I'm expecting them to be a little spicy and very tasty. Let's see. A lot of flavors. It's got radishes, cilantro, chicken, and a few other spices. I was worried it was going to be too spicy. It's not, and it's very flavorful. So the Baja chicken tacos at the Cheese Factory, of all places, are good. I believe I said Cheese Factory. It's the Cheesecake Factory. So the dessert people can make really good tacos. And I don't know about you, but does that light look like a hat on me? So you can't come to the Cheesecake Factory without ordering cheesecake. So I looked through, there's like a gazillion types of cheesecake that they offer, but the one at the top says the original that started it all. So I figured I'd go with that one. We'll see what it tastes like. Okay, here it is. Let's test it out. Let's see what it tastes like. It's quite cheesy. It's quite cakey. Tastes like cheesecake. Yeah. Now, whatever you do, don't let my doctor know that I had this, okay? Or Val. So where I was at was a memorial service, and it was pretty emotional. And then when I got back to the hotel, I learned that Bob Weir had passed away. And with a guy's name like Grateful Ted, you might know that I'm a deadhead, and so it was just too emotional to go out. I just stayed in my hotel room and mourned. If you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back because you deserve it. I appreciate that. If you liked what you saw in this very brief overview of Walnut Creek, give it a thumbs up. And you might consider subscribing. I could always use subscribers. And next week we've got something completely different. And we will see you next week.